Keep them moving to the right chute. Copy that. Chute 3 is open.
Vital signs look good. Did the scan register?
Yes, synchronization successful. We can proceed.
Ándale, sigan derecho. Cuidado con ese, va muy rápido.
Push forward, let's go! Clear the chute on the left.
We're showing green across the board for this batch. All right, open the gate for the next stage.
Health check complete. All parameters are within the acceptable range. Good. Send to the next stage. Heart rate is strong. No abnormalities detected. Recording successful. Moving to the next phase. Scan complete. Heart rate and temperature are optimal.
Very good. The data confirms clearance for the next group. Understood.
Moving them now. The documentation is complete for the approved livestock. We're clear to move them to the main processing area, Supervisor. Health status confirmed for the group.
Copy that. Moving them through now, keep the pace steady.
Ensure the temperature logs are updated every hour.
Yes, Supervisor. We just checked lot 24B.
Quality check passed. Move this batch forward to shipping. This new junction needs close monitoring during the speed increase. Let me know immediately if the flow rate changes. Thermal scanners are good. The analysis shows 99.9% purity on this batch.
Excellent. We can proceed to the next stage. All indicators are green. The mixture flow is optimal. Confirmed. The molds are prepped and synchronized. We are good to begin the shaping sequence.
Quality metrics for this hour are exceeding targets by 10%.
Good work. Keep the line moving efficiently. Everything matches the manifest. We are clear for transport.
All right, sealing the container now.
Everything loaded according to the manifest?
Yes, ma'am. We are good to go.